Hi everybody, myself Venkat. My channel Painting on Screen TV. In this channel, screen printing, screen designing, importance and techniques, solutions, different ideas, thoughts I will explain every day in every minute. I will update my different videos. Please subscribe my channel and like bell symbol. You watch my videos regularly. Today the topic is screen printing vacuum. What is vacuum? This means not cleaning of the vacuum in home cleaning and yesterday cleaning, floor cleaning and curtains cleaning. It is not a vacuum cleaner. This means photo vacuum means here it is inserting UV light. The part of UV light is inserting 10, 8 or 6 different types of UV lights are inserting and switch the light in at a time. Every light is working in vacuum. Mostly the vacuum is the importance of the screen designing develop the picture. Picture means figure. Figure mostly the design how to draw the lines and inside the figure it is clearly in this vacuum the photo vacuum update the vacuum the screen. Here it is wood, here it is the low price cost. The vacuum is designing wood, white and tube light bulbs, UV light bulbs. Bulbs means those marketing are here introducing different types of LED bulbs and digital light bulbs and etc. So many marketing is available, but your selected bulb is UV light bulb. This means called manual human calling tube lights. So here you are using bulb. After that the designing is washing and clothing. It is inserting clothing mostly important. The marketing direct by here it is two types of marketing. One is by product and second one is direct marketing. Direct marketing here it is users your ideas plans movings. It is main important.